Here's something nobody tells you about being broke in your 20s. It's not because you don't earn enough. It's not because life is too expensive. It's because nobody ever taught you the rules of money. And by the time most people figure it out, it's too late. Today, I'm going to give you those rules. 8 steps that can turn your 20s into the most financially powerful decade of your entire life. Stay with me, because step 5 is the one that changes everything. I want to tell you about two people, both 22 years old, both earning $40,000 a year. Same city, same expenses. One of them, let's call him Jake, spent his 20s upgrading his lifestyle every time he got a raise. New car, nice apartment, latest iPhone. The other one, let's call him Marcus, lived simply and invested just $200 a month. By age 45, Jake was still living paycheck to paycheck. Marcus had $1.2 million in his investment account. Same income, completely different results. The only difference? Marcus knew these 8 steps. Let's go through them. Step 1. Understand that your 20s are worth more than your 40s. I know that sounds strange, but here's the math. A 20-year-old only needs to invest $95 per month to become a millionaire by retirement. A 40-year-old needs $1,052 per month to reach the exact same goal. Same destination, 10 times harder if you wait. Time is the most powerful force in wealth building, and right now, you have more of it than you'll ever have again. Don't waste a single month. Now here's where most people mess up first, and it costs them years of progress. Step 2. Follow the 503-020 rule. Every dollar you earn should have a job. 50% goes to needs, rent, food, utilities. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, eating out, fun. And 20%, no exceptions, goes to savings and investing. That 20% is your wealth engine. Every month you skip it, you're not just losing money. You're losing the compounding returns on that money for the next 30, 40 years. But before you invest a single dollar, you need to do this first. Step 3. Destroy your high-interest debt. Credit card debt at 20% interest is mathematically impossible to outrun with investments. No stock, no ETF, no index fund returns, 20% guaranteed. Pay off your highest interest debt first. Use the debt avalanche. Attack the highest rate first, then work your way down. Every dollar of high-interest debt you eliminate is a guaranteed 20% return on your money. Nothing in investing beats that. Once your debt is gone. Here's your safety net. Step 4. Build your emergency fund. Before you invest anything in the market, save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Right now, banks like Ally and Marcus by Goldman Sachs are paying 4 to 5% interest per year, 10 times better than a regular bank account. Why does this matter? Because without an emergency fund, one bad month, a car breakdown, a medical bill, will force you to sell your investments at the worst possible time. Your emergency fund is what keeps your wealth building on track no matter what life throws at you. Now, this is step 5, the one I promised you, the one most people in their 20s completely ignore. Step 5, open a Roth IRA today. A Roth IRA is the single most powerful wealth building tool available to young Americans, and only 26% of people in their 20s actually have one. Here is why it is so incredible. You invest money you've already paid taxes on. It grows completely tax-free inside the account, and when you retire and withdraw it, you pay 0 taxes. Not some taxes, 0. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year. Put that money into a simple S&P 500 index fund like VOO. If you invest $7,000 per year starting at age 25, at a historical average return of 10% per year, by age 65 you could have over $3 million, completely tax-free. You can open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard with as little as $1. But here's something even better if your employer offers it. Step 6. Always take your 401k match. If your employer matches your retirement contributions, even by 3 or 5%, that is an instant 100% return on your money. Free Guaranteed, no investment on earth gives you that. Always contribute at least enough to get the full employer match before you do anything else with your money. Leaving this on the table is like refusing part of your paycheck every single month. Now, this next step surprised me the most when I first learned it. Step 7. Invest in yourself aggressively. The highest returning investment in your 20s is not the stock market. It's you. Learn high-income skills. Get certifications. Negotiate your salary without fear. Research shows that people who strategically switch jobs every 2 to 3 years earn around 20% more per move compared to staying at the same company. More income means more to invest. More to invest means faster compounding. Faster compounding means earlier retirement. It all starts with investing in yourself first. And finally, the silent wealth killer that destroys more 20-somethings than anything else. Step 8. Avoid lifestyle creep. Every time your income goes up, resist the urge to upgrade your life. No new car. No bigger apartment. No expensive subscriptions. Keep your expenses flat and invest every raise, every bonus, every side hustle dollar. The people who retire in their 40s are not the highest earners. They are the people who kept their spending low for a decade while there. Investments quietly compounded in the background. So here's your 8-step wealth blueprint for your 20s. 1. Time is your greatest asset. Start now. 2. Follow the 503-020 budget rule every month. 3. Destroy all high-interest debt immediately. 4. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. 5. Open a Roth IRA and invest in index funds. 6. Always take your employer's full 401k match. 7. Invest in yourself and grow your income aggressively. 8. Avoid lifestyle creep no matter what. Jake and Marcus had the same income, the same opportunities, the same city. The only thing Marcus had that Jake didn't was this list. Now you have it too. The only question is, what are you going to do with it? If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button. It helps CashFlow USA reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe for weekly wealth building tips. And comment below, which of these 8 steps are you starting this week? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.